Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner series. This is a video number 36. In this video we will learn Excel window view. So let's start. In this video we will learn three useful options under the view tab: hide window, new window and switch window. These features are great when you are working with the multiple Excel file or need to manage your screen space efficiently. So let's see the first hide and unhide window. So here you can see in my laptop have a two Excel file. Okay, this is Excel first and second Excel file. So here I'm going to hide the current Excel window. Okay, for that go to the view tab. In Windows group have a second option, hide window. You can see the icon here indicate to hide window. Just click on it and your current window, Excel window is hide. Okay, now you can see here only one Excel file here showing. Okay, second one is hide. To unhide the Excel window, go to the view tab again. In Windows group, click on this third option, unhide window. You can see when you keep cursor on this option, the name is pop up, unhide window. Just click on it and here the one dialog box is open, unhide. Unhide the workbook. Okay, your workbook is Excel Beginner Studies. Just select it and click on OK and here you go. Your Excel workbook is unhide. So that's it. Next, let's talk about the new window feature. This option opens the another view of the same workbook. Okay, so here you can see in my laptop only the one Excel file here showing. Okay, so I'm going to add the new window of the same workbook. Okay, so go to the view tab. In Windows group have a new window option. Just click on it and here you can see the same workbook is open, workbook 2. Okay, and now I show you. Here you can see the workbook 1 is indicated here and here the 2. You will now have two separate windows of the same files open. Both stay in a sync. The best part, so any changes you make in the one window are automatically updated in the another one. Okay, so I show you here. Suppose I enter here something and I show you in second window. You can see this is the first and this is the second. You can see this is the second window and I show you the first one and this is the first window. Okay, so this is so helpful. Thank you. Finally, the switch windows option helps you manage the multiple Excel files or windows easily. When you click on the switch window, you will see the list of open Excel workbook. So here you can see in my laptop, there are 4 workbook is open. So I just go to the view tab and click on the switch window option. In Windows group, click on the switch window and you can see the all open Excel file list here showing. Okay, when you click on this any Excel file and if you want to view, Excel will instantly bring that window in the front of you. So I just click on the second and you can see the second Excel tutorial beginners here open. Okay, so this is so helpful. So hope you understood. You like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.